Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. In a bid to raise money for one of the local schools, a school actually that my son attends, 24 houses in my local neighbourhood here in North London recently took part in a rather lovely project. On each day in December, a different house would unveil or reveal a window display with a seasonal theme and a number in it, replicating the idea of a traditional Advent calendar. And on Christmas Eve, the 24th of December, I walked around all 24 of these different window displays with my kids. And as we were walking round, my daughter taking a few photos to share with friends, she commented that some of the window displays were much better than others. I responded by saying, well, it's inevitable, isn't it? They're not all going to be top notch. When you've got 24 different displays, you're going to have a very mixed bag. If you say that something is a mixed bag, you mean that all of the things in it, all of the constituent parts are very different. Often it means that some of them will be good and some of them will be less good, or maybe even bad. And you hear this phrase in all kinds of different contexts. So you might turn on the weather forecast and hear there's a real mixed bag of weather for you across the country today. Sometimes you also see it in the news or in academic writing or academic kind of conversation. So you might hear things like, well, there's been a lot of research into this particular question, but the research has yielded a very mixed bag of results. Might be used when you're talking about a film you've seen or a book you've read. You might say, wow, it was a bit of a mixed bag. I mean, it had its moments, but it certainly wasn't a classic. And for the teachers out there among you, I'm sure that many of you in your classes, you have a real mixed bag of students. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use a mixed bag